Good morning, all of you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Manisha. I am 21 years old. I live in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. I did my graduation in BCom from MGKP University, and currently I am pursuing MCom from BHU. My hobbies are reading books and listening music. My strengths are I am self motivated, hardworking, and a disciplined person. I have basic computer knowledge, and my weakness is I'm little perfectionist, which take extra time. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, a very pleasant good morning to all of you. Today I am going to introduce myself. Firstly, I would like to say thanks to my teacher who gave me this opportunity to introduce myself. My full name is Rishika Singh. I am 16 years old. I am from Bihar, but nowadays I have been living in Varanasi for last 3 years. I have done my 10th from Golden India Public School. Recently, I am studying in class 11th from Bio stream, and I have also joined spoken English classes. I have a little bit knowledge about computer and mehndi design skills, and my hobbies are singing, dancing, playing badminton. My strengths are I am self-dependent, I am honest. My weakness are I am short-tempered. My interests are I really like to help poor people and to plant trees. I want to become an IPS police officer. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hello, a very good evening, my friends and my teacher. Firstly, I would thanks to my teacher who gave me this opportunity to introduce myself on this platform. My full name is Ruchi Chaube. I am 18 plus years old, and I am study in class 12th, and in present time I waiting for my 12th examination. I am from Bihar, but in present time I live in Varanasi, and my 10th pass out college name is Gopi Radha Girls Center College, and my present college name is Durga Charan Girls Center College. I have some computer knowledge, like my hobby is playing games, listening music, writing diaries, and reading oldest stories, etc. And my dream is become a good nurse. That's all about me. Thanks.
Good morning everyone. I am going to introduce myself today. Firstly, I would like to thank my teacher who gave me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am feeling great pleasure to introduce myself. My full name is Nidhi Kumari. I am 17 years old. I am from Devariya, but I have been living in Varanasi from 12 years. And I have done my class 10 from Gopi Radha Balika Inter College in Varanasi. And currently I am studying in class 12 from Gopi Radha Balika Inter College, and I have some basic knowledge of computer and GK, and my hobby is sketching, dancing, and listen music. My strengths are simplicity, honesty, I am hard worker, I am quick learner, and my weakness is too emotional, and my aim is to become a good doctor and successful doctor. That's all about myself. Thank you. Have a nice.
Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. I am going to introduce myself today. Firstly, I would like to thanks to my teacher who gave me this opportunity to introduce myself. My full name is Anu Verma. I am 16 years old. I am from Varanasi. I have done class 10 from Golden India Public School. Nowadays, I am in class 11 from Bio stream. I have also joined English spoken classes, and I have some basic knowledge of computer and painting skill, etc. My interests are helping poor people. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and playing badminton. My strength are I am honest and I am self-dependent. My weakness are I am short temper and I want to become a successful doctor. Thank you. That's all about me.
Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to introduce myself. Firstly, I would like to thanks to my teacher who gave me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shushmita Yadav. I am 18 years old and I am from Varanasi, and I have done my 10th and 12th from SSK Center College, and currently I am preparing for BHU entrance exam, and recently I have joined spoken English classes, and I have some basic computer knowledge, and my hobbies are painting and dancing, and also listening music, and my strengths are self-motivated and have a good leadership quality, and my weakness are I am little bit lazy and quick temper, and I want to be a good doctor. That's all about me. Thank you.
Good afternoon, guys. This is Urvashi. Firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm basically from Mughalsarai, and I finished my schooling last year from Central in the Girls School, Varanasi. I used to stay in a hostel actually, and now I'm preparing for entrance exam of BHU BCom, as well as also preparing for mass communication. Nothing much about me, but I have interest in singing as well, and traveling is a more like. I like eating food, and I would like to spend time with my friends. And my strength are I'm self-motivated, disciplined person, as well as my weaknesses are nervousness. Well, I'm doing my best to reach at my studies. Well, thank you for so much to presenting here to me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. I'm going to introduce myself today. Firstly, I would like to thanks to my teacher who gave me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you all. My name is Ruchi Chaube. I am 16 years old. I am from Bihar and I have been living in Ara for 2 years. I have done my 10th from Divya Bhaskar Public School in Ara, and I am currently studying in class 11th from science stream. Recently, I have also joined English spoken classes. I have some basic knowledge of computer. My hobbies are singing and dancing. My strength is I'm good at creating new things. My weaknesses are I'm too emotional and quick tempered also. My aim is to become a successful doctor. That's all about me. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.
Good morning all of you. I'm going to introduce myself today. And first of all, thank you to my teacher who's gave me this opportunity to introduce myself. And I have to get desire to introduce myself. Myself, Dikshika Yadav. I am 18 years old. I am from Azamgarh, but I live in Varanasi. And I clear my 10th class from Modern India Public School from Varanasi. And I am currently in class 12, which I am doing from Dehradun Public School, Ramnagar. And my hobby is writing, listening music, and dance, singing, and cooking. That's all. And my aim is to be a choreographer. I have little knowledge of computer. I'm doing diploma from computer, and I am also doing diploma from Bharatanatyam. My strength is my simplicity and my attitude, and I am easily adapt to anything, and I do my work with my heart, and that's all about me. Thank you so much.